Hello. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today we are start our next topic. Topic of applications of Heron's formula. We already learned in first exercise of 12th chapter Heron's formula. Now we will use Heron's formula in different areas. Many applications of Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used for finding the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle when all three sides are given A, B and C. But we can use Heron's formula to finding the area of park, area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure which is made by four sides. Quadrilateral. Quadri means four. Lateral means side. Quadrilateral means four sides. A closed figure in which have four sides. So we can use Heron's formula to finding the area of quadrilateral. How will you find? Suppose it is given 10, it is 12, it is 15, it is 17. So we can divide this figure in two parts. First triangle A, B, C and A, B, C and D. And suppose it is 10 centimeter. So now we can find. Can you find area of quadrilateral? Yes. Area of quadrilateral. How will you find? Area of triangle ABC and ABC we can find easily by Heron's formula plus area of BDC. So it is a vast applications of Heron's formula to finding the area of different shapes. So now we are discuss the applications of Heron's formulas. So open everyone second exercise of 12th chapter and first question. Read everyone. What is given? Read. A park in the shape of quadrilateral. In shape of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It is given. It is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides. A quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And next is given has angle C is 90. Angle C is 90 degree given. This symbol is 90 degree. Next AB is 9 meter. Sorry. BC 12 meter. Next is CD 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. Yes. How much area does it occupy? How much area this park is occupy? Yes. So we have to find the area of A, B, C, D. Understand? So we will join. Suppose we join B to D. B to D. Which means area of A, B, C, D is equal to area of this triangle, first triangle, plus area of second triangle. We can find easily. But if we want to find second triangle area A, B, D, so we know only two sides, neither height given, because area of triangle we can find only in two cases: if height is given and base is given, or by Heron's formula if all three sides are given. But here is only two sides given. In this triangle DCB is also two sides given. So how will you find? Now we will use in question whatever is given. Yes, angle C is 90 degree. What is 90 degree? And we know in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, it is 5, it is 12, and one angle is 90 degree. We can find third side by Pythagoras theorems. Opposite of 90 always hypotenuse. Understand? So we write. So we are starting our question. So we write first. So write let join B to D. B to D. So now in triangle, it is symbol of triangle. In triangle B C D, B C D, we know it is 90 degree, it is 5 meter, it is 12 meter. Opposite of 90 always hypotenuse. So we will write, if in any triangle one angle is 90 is given, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorems, what is opposite of 90 a side, it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square BD square equal to hypotenuse square equal to the sum of square of other two side. Other two side, what is BC square plus DC square. Understand? Now I am rubbing this triangle. There is a space problem is there. Next, so we will write next BD. So BD square equal to BC square. BC is how much? 12 square plus DC 5 square. BD square equal to 144 plus 25. BD square how much? BD square equal to 169. But we want to find BD. We want to find BD, nor BD square. So it means we have to remove this square. And square how can we remove? By taking square root both side. Taking square root both side. So BD square 169 square root. Yes. Square cancel to square root BD. What is remain? Square root of 169. Either you can write 169. 13 multiply 13. Yes. 13 pair. Yeah. 13 square. What is remain? 13. So what is? 169 is square root of 13. So BD is how much? 13 meter. Now yes, BD is 13 meter. Now easily we can find area of ADB and area of DCB. So first we find area of BCD. So area of BCD, and we know in BCD BCD, yes, area of a triangle. If you want to find 5, 12, 13. If we want to find area of a triangle, we has two formula. One is Hero's formula and three side. We can use here Hero's formula also, but we has one more formula. 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. So area of BCD. 1 base into height means 90 degree. Always whenever in any triangle one angle is 90 given, so it means an angle which is made by two side, where two side are meet, and this angle is 90 degrees. So it means one is base, one is height already. So 1 by 2 base is 5, height is 13. So it is simple formula to finding the area of a triangle. If angle is 90 given or height given, we will use this one. Otherwise we will use of which one? Hero's formula. It is 12, not 13. Sorry, it is hypotenuse. Other opposite of 90, hypotenuse. Other than hypotenuse, one is base, one is height. So 2, 6. So what is area? 30 meter square. Are you understand? Very good. Next is now area of whose? ADB. So right, area of triangle ABD. ABD. Yes, area of BD. How will you find? by Hero's formula. So we will write by Heron's formula. Formula, F-O-R-M-U-L-A, formula. So it means first we find S. S means semi-perimeter, sum of all three sides divided by 2. 8 plus 9 plus 5 divided by 2. What is 8 plus 9? 17. 17 plus 5? 8, 9, 13. 8, 9, 13, sorry. It is 8 plus 9? 17. 17 plus 13? 30. 30 divided by 2. What is answer? 15. Semi-perimeter is 15 meter. Next, area. So area, how will you find? So write area of triangle, how much? S minus A, S minus B, bracket, S minus C. So write area. Right? S is how much S? 15. 15 minus 3 side. First side 8. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 13. So what is remain? It is remain 15 multiply 15 minus 8. 7. 6. 2. Multiply. Yes. So don't try to be multiply. We will make here pairs and we will write outside. Yes. 15. What? 15 is 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 6 is 2 into 3 into 2. Pair of 3, 3. 2, 2. So it's become 3 is outside and 2 is outside. What is inside is 5 into 7. 5 into 7, 35. Understand? So I am rubbing now. If you want, yes, it is the area of second triangle. So area of ABCD. First triangle plus area of second triangle. So I am rubbing this one. Now. So we can write. So it is area how much? So write area of triangle. Which one triangle? ABD. 2 multiply 3, 6. Root 35. Understand? But in our books, root 35's value given in decimal. So we will find we will find the value of root 35. Root 30, yes. If I ask you root 36, you will say sir root 6. Root 25, 5. But root 35 between 25 and 36. So it means this value is between 5. Yes, root 36, 6. So it means this number value is smaller than 6. Root 25 is 5. So it means 35 is greater than 25. So it means its value greater than 5. So this value lies between 5 and 6. It means 5 point something. And in 8th class, we already learned how to find the square root. Square root of 35. How will you find? Make pairs. Yes, same number right here, same here. If you write 6, 35, it is greater. So 5 into 5, 25. What is remain? 9. Now decimal. And 2 0. Always in pairs. So 5 into 5, 10. Same number right here, same here. So it is gone on 8. 8. 64 into 8. How much remain? 36. Again 2 0. Yes. Now in this number add last digit. Here only one digit, so 5 plus 5 10. Now 108 last digit. 108 plus 8 116. Same number right here and same here. What is? So we will write. We can write here 3. 3. So 3 3 9. 6 into 3. 6 into 3 18. 3 into 3. 4 into 3. So it is some decimal. So what is value? So 5 point something. What is 5.83? So we can write 6 into 5.83 and you can multiply 6 into 3 18. 6 into 8 48. 48 plus 9, 6 into 5, so 30. So what is area? So in decimal 34.98. It is in decimal. We will write only up to 2 decimal. Understand? So it is meter square. So we will write area of park. So area of park, first part plus second part. First part area of BCD 30 plus second area 34.98. What is answer? 64.98 meter square. Are you understand? So we will find value of square root value. Understand? So square root are very important in this chapter. Understand? So next question, read and note down it. And these are some lengthy questions. Next is find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to find the area of again quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD in which AB equal to 3, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, DA 5 centimeter and AC is how much? 5 centimeter. Yes, I think everyone can solve easily. Yes, first area of ABC 3, 4, 5, all three sides given by Hero's formula we can find. Next area of ADC. Yes, we can find ADC, all three sides we can find easily. And in last we will write area of ABCD equal to area of ABC plus area of AD. We will write. So first we will find area of ABC and area of ADC and then add both. Understand? So do yourself. Third question next now. Read everyone. Third questions also. Again, an aeroplane is given like an aeroplane. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper in figure 12.15. Find the total area of paper paste. Yes, suppose if you make like this one, any aeroplane like it is. It is aeroplane, suppose. If you make this aeroplane by colored paper, and if you want to find area of this figure, how we will find? We know if its shape is rectangle, we can find easily area of rectangle, length into breadth. If triangle given, we can find easily. But it is the shape of aeroplane. So how will we find? So first we will find area of first triangle, area of this triangle, second triangle plus third triangle. Now it is like a rectangle, fourth part. We will find area of fourth part. After this one, area of fifth. So like this one we will add, and area, total area of aeroplane, first plus second plus third plus 4 plus 5. Like this one we will find. Understand? So I am writing here. In downside, it is given like a trapezium, and this one is triangle. It is rectangle. It is triangle. And now side I am writing. This is side 5. This one is 1. It is 6 centimeter. It is 1.5. Next is it is 1, so it is also 1 centimeter. Now it is 1, it is 2. Next, so now finding, so what is, it is first part given, first part, this is second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. So area of triangle, area first part plus second part plus third plus fourth plus fifth part. Understand? Yes. We know in aeroplane this side equal to this one. It is also 5. So this area of this triangle we can find easily. Very good. So we will write. So A, B, C you can write. So area of first part. It is triangle 5, 5, 1. So we can find easily. Yes. It is 1. And this side is how much given? From here to here. How much given? 6.5. And it is second part. Area of rectangle. Rectangle area. Length into breadth. Yes, this one. It is, dekho, you can see it is like a straight line. And straight line. So it means it is 90 degree. And this triangle, fourth part, how will you find area of triangle? It is height. It is base. Opposite of 90, hyper. So 1 by 2 base into height. Understand? So we will find like this one. So first we will find area of first part. So how will you find area of first part? So we will find first S. S is 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 11 by 2. 11 divided by 2. 5.5 centimeter. Unit always we will write. After this one, area. So area of first part is under the root. S 5.5. 5.5 5.5 minus first side minus 5. 5.5 minus 5 second side. 5.5 minus 1 third side. So we will find like this one. So it is 5.5 multiply 0.5, 0.5, 4.5. Now we will write it's in pairs. Yes. 0.5, 0.5 in pairs. It is come outside. 0.5 inside. What is remain? 55. What we can write? What we write? 5 into 11. So 1.1 like this one. Yes. It is what we can write. 45. 9 into 5. 9 into 5. So 9 into 5 what we can write? So 9. So 5 into 0.9. Understand? So 5 into 9. 45. Understand? So this one. Now 5 pairs. So 0.5 multiply 5. What is remain inside? 1.1 and 0. Otherwise you can directly, we can remove decimal also first. Also what is? It is 5.5 multiply 0.5 and 4.5. Next step, 55 divided by 10, 5 by 10, 5 by 10, and this one is 45 by 10. Yes. 10 pair. 10 pair come outside. So what is come outside? And 5 pair. So 5 divided by 110 pair into 10. What is inside? Inside is 55. 55. What is? 5 into 11. Next. 45. 5 into 9. Next. So 5 divided by 100. Multiply. 5 pair come outside 5. What? And square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3 into 11. So what is remain? So 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3, 75. 75 divided by 100, 0.75 under the root 11. Understand? Understand? And now same as it is, we will find root 11 value. Root 11 value lies between root 9, 3, root 16, 4. So 11 lies between 9 and 16. So value is 3 point something. And what is value? So find root 11 value. First we will find root 11 value. Yes, up to 2 decimal. So root 11 pairs. Same number right here, same here. 3 into 3, 9. So 2. Now decimal, double zero. In this number add last digit, only one digit. 3 plus 3, 6. Same number right here. 63 into 63. What is? 3 into 9 and this one. And only one decimal is enough. So what is value root 11? 3.3. So we will write its value. So 0.75 into 3.3. Multiply. Yes. How many decimal? 1, 2 and 1 this one. After 3 decimal. So 30. 3 5 ja 165. 16 is carry. 33 7 ja 33 7 ja 231 plus 16 247. So what is the area first part? 2.475 centimeter square. Understand? Very good. So it is the area of first part. After this one we will finding area of second part. Yes, area of second part. So area of second part. So second part what is it? It is a rectangle. Rectangle area, length into breadth. What is length? 6.5 into 1. So what is area? 6.5 meter square. Next, area of third part. Yes, third part. Not third part. First we are finding fourth part. So first part, it is triangle. Therefore it is 90 degree. Yeah, 90. It is 90. It is 90. So C2, this one 6. It is 1.5 and this one. We know opposite of 90, hypotenuse. And these are height and base. So 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2, 6 into 1.5, 2, 3. So 3 into 1.5, 4.5 meter square. So area of first part we already find, second part and fourth part same as it is. Area of fifth is also, yes, because in aeroplane both side wings are of same size. So it is 6, it is also 1.5. So area of fifth part also is 4.5 meter square. What is remain? Only area of remain third part. This one I am explaining third part and rest of do yourself. Now we have to find a difficult task to find the area of, it is 1 1 1 2. It is area of, it is like a trapezium, and trapezium area everyone know, 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into height. Parallel side, these are parallel, and height, what is height is always 90 degree. This one we have to find, this one 90, but we don't know. So what we will do, so like this one, it is trapezium. So suppose, so first we will find the height of this trapezium. So trapezium height how we will find? Suppose we draw a parallel line, this one. We know already this side parallel to this one, and from this point we draw a parallel line to this line. Suppose, understand? So this one. So both are, these are parallel. So it is also one, and this parallel to this one parallel to this one. Now what is? It is 1. It is also 1 centimeter. Understand? So now we will find, yes, area of a triangle. We can find by two formula. 1 by 2 base into height, and second equal to by Hero's formula. And if we can find by Hero's formula, if we know area, so we can put area equal to this formula, because we know two formula to finding the area of a triangle. 1 by 2 base into height, it is also area, and second is by Hero's formula. Both are area, so we can put both are equal. Very good. So we can give name if you want to give name. It's R. You can write name. Suppose it is A, B, C, D, E. So we will write area of BCD. BCD. How will you find area of BCD? First we will find semi-perimeter by Hero's formula. Semi-perimeter S 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 upon 2. What is 0.5? Understand? 0.5. After this one area. So area BCD equal to S 0.5. So what is 1.0.5? 1 minus 0.5. S minus it is not 0.5, it is 3 divided by 2, 1.5. So S 1.5, 1.5 minus 1, 1.5 minus 1, 1.5 minus 1. So what is remain? 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. What is remain? Pair 0.5, 0.5 come outside. What is remain? 1.5 into 0.5. What we can write? So we can write 0.5. 1.5 we can write 3 into 5. Yes, it is 0.5. So 3 multiply 0.5 into 0.5. 0.55 pair again come outside. 0.5 into 0.5 multiply root 3. So it is answer 0.25 into root 3. And root 3 value we can find easily. Root 3. 1 1 ja 1. 2. Same number decimal 00. 1 plus 1 2. Same number right here. Yes. 29. 6 ja. We will write 26. 28. 27. 7 ja. 189. What is 11? So what is value? 1.7. What is value of root 3? 1.7. So area is 0.25 into 1.7. Multiply. So 17 into 5, 85. 17 into 2, 34. 34 plus 8, 42. 42. And after decimal 3 digit. So what is area? 0.025. Understand?